Hi, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we will be making roasted garlic chicken and potatoes with sautéed carrots. This meal is easy to prepare and I will teach you step by step. There is a link in the description for the recipe. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Let's get cooking. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of parsley. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of thyme. Half a teaspoon of ground pepper, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Stir the ingredients together. Place the marinated chicken breasts in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Next, we will cut up the potatoes. 1 potato per person plus 1 extra. I use 3 potatoes for 2 people. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic. Stir everything together. We will put the salt and pepper on the potatoes before we bake them. Place some tin foil on the cookie sheet and spread out your potatoes. Add some fresh ground pepper. Add some sea salt. Preheat the oven to 400. Next, we will peel 2 carrots. Next, we'll cut up the carrots. You can use one of these fancy cutters or you can just use a regular knife. We'll add some butter. Pinch of salt. Preheat oven to 425. Place the chicken in the oven. Set timer for 25 minutes. Once the oven reaches 400 degrees Fahrenheit, place the potatoes in the oven. Place the carrots on the stove and set the heat to just above medium. Turn heat down to low or 1/4 of dial range. Stir the potatoes after 10 minutes. Set another 10-minute timer for the potatoes in the oven. Next, you want to check the internal temperature of the chicken to make sure it's at least 176. There you have it, roasted garlic chicken and potatoes with sautéed carrots.